everyone, I am Jimpol S. Algupera, third year student from the College of Education, majoring English at Caraga State University. I'm here to share my first experience, college, at Caraga State University. First, I am excited to start my college journey at CSU and make new friends while learning new things. When I first entered CSU, I was nervous and didn't know my way around the buildings. University orientation is like a welcome party for new college students. It helps them to get familiar with the campus, meet new friends, and learn about helpful resources. Through fun activities and informative talks, students feel more comfortable and excited about college life. Also, orientation helps them overcome worries about starting college and encourage them to take new challenges and opportunities. I believe I am a unique part of this big world, connected to everything around me. Just like every person has their role, I have mine too. And it's matter no matter how small it may seem. My action, thoughts, and dream shape not only my own life but also the lives of others around me. I'm here to grow, learn, and contribute, or something larger than myself. Whether it's through kindness, creativity, or the work I do, I have the power to make a positive difference in this vast and beautiful world. In this school, success in school depends on believing in yourself and working hard. Self means knowing your strength, staying motivated, and taking responsibility for your action. It's ability about managing your time well and staying focused on your goal. Hard work means putting in efforts, practicing regularly, and not giving up when things get tough. Together, these help you improve, overcome challenges, and achieve your best. Try and try until you succeed. If you fell down yesterday, stand up today. That's all, and thank you.